years za na ndema penya no watum no wa ya amahe enda ye oye aban nkasa ho was a public lecture ni hina etum na abewi za na kyera ayiko sonko na zema oye mpemfu biara a wotum to nsa tum fra ho ma oba ba kansa ma obo medama na mrutu hina etum na awie pe nti ye boy CCTV fu hona ba papa da ye fi baby na ebe body baby fiti 1984 besebiri wa ya adwuma oye adwuma zena oboboa na etum na etum pon akwayim nti when you sum the legacy project wa ba mazina efi wotum na ayen oboboa ma wotum etu anamoro akwayim ye na nkote na wa ba mazina etum aye wotu anamoro aka donation wa dama oye besekrum basic school a okama hunungwa oba tena do na fem of motum wo suade iya na moro tawo ba mazina efi wotum otu nti ma ba den biara enfi foforo wa hina yim no oye besekrum basic school no ba sha ne so de wotu anamoro wotum agba be etum akwayim the man so na ye mebo akina oba mazina efi was the grand deb na say to my sedo what in safran pay fripia oba bakansa oye Ghana yen pay na ohwe wo masuado me che education minister oba mazo to my safran oba yen man pay ni oye Ibrahim Mama what to my safran moraba abobom de medumeze to makodo nti ye mo boy oye etina Friday no and morto oba mazina efi etum yetu no dome pinya oba bakansa na efi etum na aboa wa bere the ground deba oba mazina efi etum akodo Kosa TV za obisi biara ebo mazina fi etum etwene fayin etum na atira oya dom biara oya Ghana fu na wi adre fa na hinara na fi abomazina fi etum na ewe pe nti ama mazina na mra yetum yetu na mra oboboa me yetum yeje hin na ado school na akonayim za na ndama pinya no ho sisa anye the guest speaker esana akekasa na etum ebisan nsama ekura na ebien wa na motu na school no otum aye na bia yetum fi bebe ebedu nti yenko na yin kizinkom apa momo akwa right. CCTU. If you baby. Sisi a yenye oye 40 years. 19 basically. Sari show wait here. Abere eba ha sisi ara. Aba sisi pinye na etumi.
Other projects are dignitaries. Now, let be Mr. Joans, later Mr. G. Now, Dr. Bossa. Now, Professor Atepos, Dr. Menu.
Okay.
When you now travel habit.
Okay.
And see, that's why them time ready to there. I'm there. It's a process. I want you matters. Our 5 different schools.
Okay.
Actually, work on
okay.
Youngsha
asama awa wonchana annam do me ban abakase fa ho illegal mining ayeya wa Ghana ha isha say to fuma egudi etuma achare ya kasa besibiri there's no change western nkote na otuma kodo etiti da ibutumi asan efidama zamanwa
Jodi can galamsey did not but ma yeka galamsey wasame Wabejidin too much. Another, I don't know how to say it. It's gained so much notoriety. Into Oyadea, ye boy who modern there. Yebe Juma, Obama Galamsey, Yebecha no. Na Oye Omampini, Cecil John Dramani. Why are so committed there? Galamsey, answer the don't know. Opere issue there, Yebecha no. Damsuna owo jide ewo ni minister honorable Emmanuel Amakofu sanye MP for Elembele there onu na onda ano nti onu na oye minister of natural resources and onu so ati ko bia ye from 9 months National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat nti ye wo forestry commission ye ni 9 months any other state agencies blue water gas nyina ye juma ko na yedi abra anwas but galamsey nankasa no sene ye no say ye increasing education so because baby na so no omo ye de omo but omo shedan tiase say de wo ye no or say yenso or say ye forest cover or say o man no nti the more ye continue education e be boa and more to do so ɛyɛ yɛ ahemfo no because biribiara a wɔyɛ galamsey biara no ahemfo so wɔ hɔ traditional authorities so wɔ hɔ nti yɛ engage wɔn nyinaa na wɔn ho dɛ there's too much devastation ɛdɛ wɔn so wɔyɛ concern nti ɛna yɛ employ various tools and mechanisms a yɛde ɛbɛ brɛ ano ase.
Yes, sir. You may mention of other nkyerɛkyerɛ pinyin education. Ghana, Abanoko, Oshiafuba, Oshiafuko. That shows that they are not doing enough in terms of oil education.
Metumakare nukre in the past no say yanchre the commitment and then yechre. So ya dia yetumi fighting galamsey say na ebia na ye fighting the crapona. Yeah, you're fighting the necrapono. We still feel there. We still have more to do because baby yepere yedru no onye ho na yewo nanso baby na nka yewo first no enye ho so na yewo nti ye nam kwema ye rekọ but oyede ye kan ye ho kakra na yetum na ye fight galamsey no.
You may mention of nananum wo krom ho ketepres ahohia wotum de for that shows the government or not tomorrow to na in nananum here between to why can't metuma cho na we should refuse certain things and na we dey ntumi nja won ma
enyo ono ntina ye ne omo edi nketa ho na omo ehu de aban fa omo echi embe ye de o ye wasase no bekeke bibia obekodo wo na asase bibia no aban bebo ho be crown na we hu we na aban eye nti se amambonofo so eye de omo ye illegal mining ya nipa ba ku mieni bi na omo nya skefi ma ono so ye expect there ya for no obeboa hen na ye nyina ya bra no ase because or kodo wo territory or there also utum ebohu de wo mayete na ya be chedam krofo no eno so ntina mesi the more ade a ye hia pa any education no nche de or there wo betina classroom na ya che won ade but they just advocacy and awareness creation there ye to amon ye ko bia na ye ne won edi nkomo momo de galamsey no or affect yensu ye pere yensu no ye dan number back to blue ye forest no so back to green.
Mr. Eric, we have been doing more research on galamsey and Nempoyebe Yabe Humbi. That shows that our research from research to the shells and adultery.
Yes, another bigger problem with onye Ghana nkutini the whole of Africa and or affect young development and young developmental growth because most often no them I can yeah reports be ye school yeah projects yeah masters yeah thesis ni nyina no ebe hwe na ye bibia dama na dey akọ to shelves ndo na anyin but oyede yetumi ye nyina ye institute e be a department be in every agency and every institution to be looking into research topics or today to pick snippets of wisdom from those reports no oba bua ye nyina ma yatumpu.
Eric, young share government says we add the security.
Yeah.
When we add the security, still now we spend much. I would be able to Ghana scarce. I would be able to pay for to discuss. The issue now, but down here to me, more fight to be able to Galamsey. We are destroying the water bodies, but still now it seems you don't care. That's why you don't understand what we are doing.
Onam da muntina, the yabo hunde ye continue education. But obibia ye betchin there still or say yenso or say asase or say ye forest no ye chewa e kwan bia ne hode obi beba beka de or pacho amount there be ye bechew na ye de wafa mra kwan so because ya bon hu de road there ma worry no or say ye asase or say yenso the mass no say ye forest ni nyina enti dia ye woka and say mo amu ye galamsey no ye nka de won jai de worry no yenim there also a way of survival. Onam damuntina ye institute bibia ye friend RCOMS them responsible corporate mining and skills development program. Nti aho epede eye wo galamsey. First na ye nyina de galamsey de anka onye ade oye illegal. Oya de wo ye responsibly but sisi wa be equipment ye di ye ni nyina no nti. Nti aho epede eye dam small scale mining no. By there ebehu RCOMS them for no. Now we're holding, now we're registered in communities because you better designate certain communities for that activity. Now it's my then I have mining activity on a small scale.
Our concentration lies on the nanum ministries, our security personnel. Is the main thing to me? But engine we should channel our focus to the individuals of our community. If I understand what I'm doing, if I understand that I'm destroying many things, engine also about to know our breath from the from why.
Dam is in every boy in no. When you now wash it, ya have for us. And to say, Fande, Yanko, Yembra, Hade, Nasa, Ogwa, that's Ogwa, Osaberma, Ekasa. Ohede ye onam ebuo na obi ade man no okasa fa ho a bebre na abete eko Ashanti region se otumfo ebo hu de onam tumi owo ni ebuo owo de man nti obi abete but nka no na yemfa mfa ahemfo no do nti why de ya ye fi de onam emra wo ho emra se de ni de nti yemfa ahemfo no emfa enka ho but this time mum no ye pray de wonyina aka ho no wo hu de yedi ebuo amount ye pere won so waka bi because so we ahemfokra also enum nso no bi also etodi no bi asase no do na also ete nti bibia o affect obia no ebitumi affect so
Eric anche be mama hemu do wa hen komo bo ayetumi yere bo na ye be bodin pempesi etitire hwe water bodies a de bia ayetumi ho yere kasa ho ye hwe baby ye ko baby and still now it seems we are marking time.
We are not marking time. On Sunday, in the past 11 months, no successes are here achieved. Number of excavators are here seizing, number of arrests are here making, and one are here warding on off. No, any steps are here taking. Ebeke inkano yeba abemuno na excavators one register one. Nti obi atumi de ni excavator ba na odiko yen de ope. But in the menu can say excavator be over Bagana Biano, or they register now you register now what justify the reason why the excavator no air Bagana. And you register you so you the tracker at the todo. My young baby excavator no oko, more acquire baby or cobia. And na first no 5 forest reserves a no-go area. And the Abanfo we buy no forest reserves here now a red zones no. Yetumi a retrieve omo nyina masisia enye under the control of them tax no bio na omampanyin so mayechi asese they will not issue any more licenses to mining in the forest reserves basin na minuka say forest reserve bia e wo bia no we have not issued any mining license into forest reserves motor do so in there LI 246 to now oma ekwan mangrofo ko mine no we are revoking that one to lay a new LI abeman halty mining in forest reserve, and then other measures are yedi to kwemno 9 months are institute so no there war in there a soldier for year training on any police for any immigration for no will train 1 year they will be dispatched to the various water bodies now we set camps and our bases or dam locations no on rotational basis onam damtina minister of lands and natural resources honorable Emmanuel Amakofibua SND to Juarez say we declare our friend then your water bodies as security zones into obia ni kwande obeko forest and the water bodies no there occur mining our yebeche obia no you have infringed and you will be dealt with according to law.
Young share the excavators are register is a monitors it means are you sure there you able to reduce too much gallons?
Oh yeah, very very sure. I think Bakuso yebe yempo there. Dam low beds now offer excavators no so no. You be register one na. Nti will be registered with trackers. Our yebe unde alpha excavator F point A to point B only the requisite requirements. Another justified reason for movement no. Also yebeche na ya confiscate dam you know. Into the geolocation and as a tracking now you there to excavators no so. Ono ama anua brass kakra. And the Echo Yen Forest Reserves now. And what I say, we have been able to repossess the red zones. No, in fact, just a week ago, but we didn't mean to be fun to a reporter Yediama or Mampenyi.
Okay.
And see Onankasa Eddie Beba Abounting. And there's been very significant report progress from October to this November. Yes.
All right. Ebado as papa. All right. Ebado Eric. I canam akuto e beden as papa da wa mama zena if you want to know other church me pinyen etum no other amahin each other America also to meet him. You know what to meet Anamara from a good year to me to wasn't if you to me again. Or send a banner enough from this, a banner enough from this, or down you say, but wasn't if you to me enough from the natives. I would to Moka, a banner a banner by Biabana. Now, so many baby in the Asan Hileti. Some my summer exit Mediterranean and it's into me now in the pay for and Ben and Caribbean or Bachelor. Yama wasn't if you to me to Anamara. Now, about why now. Nti ye hwe da ye bi so butuma atwen komo afan komodeno e da se bi